Hi everyone, so today we are going to show you how to get those perfect celebrity beach waves. Today in this video you are going to need 3 clips, a heat protectant. I'm using Matrix heat buffer, any kind of hairspray. This is a Matrix Vavoom, it's extra hold. I'm also going to use Paul Mitchell Stay Strong hairspray. And then you're going to need some kind of salt infused spray, so like a sea salt spray. I'm going to use a Matrix Rough Me Up. But there's also directions in the bio about how to make your own from home if you don't have any sea salt spray. So today, first I haven't even brushed my hair, so you just brush my hair real quick. Okay, now first you're going to take one clip. You're going to section out the top part of your hair. Roll it up. You're going to pin that one. Then you're going to take another section. Pin that one back here. So then you're left with your bottom section. So I'm going to split it in half. And your third clip can use to keep this out of your way. While you're styling this side. Okay, first and foremost, you always want to have a heat protector if you're putting any kind of heat on your hair. You're also going to need a comb, so any comb you can tease with, or any comb, really doesn't matter. You're going to take any size curling iron in between 1 inch to about 2 inches. 2 inches is a little big. It's for people who have a little bit longer hair. I'm using a 1 inch. This is probably the best that has ever worked for me. I have used a 1.5 before, but I always go back to the 1 inch. So what you're going to do is you're going to go You're going to go iron down, and you're going to wrap from top to bottom. And you're going to let it hold. And you don't want to curl your ends. That's the whole point about beach waves, is you don't want to let your ends get curled. You just hold it. And let it go. I always hold mine after it comes off the iron because it's a little hot and you want it to cool off before you let it drop. So right now it looks like a crazy curl with no ends curled. It just looks crazy. You're going to take another section, iron down, wrap from top to bottom. Leave your end out. And I go iron down because I want my curls to fall away from my face and not towards my face. It's just really personal preference. If you want them to fall towards your face, then hold iron up. And again, iron down, roll from top to bottom. And I'm going to hold and release. And right now we just have super crazy curls. Well, I'm done with this side. I'm going to take my hairspray, spray a tiny bit. And you don't want to separate them at all. So then I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and I'm going to work my way up. I'm going to take my second section down, curl it, take my third section down and curl it, just as I have been. Iron down, work from top to bottom, wrapping from top to bottom. And so I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Alright, so we're done with our curls, and now all we have is some crazy curls. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our hairspray, spray it all. Okay, so now we're just going to take our fingers and brush them through. See them starting to take shape. Alright, so now that we got that wave going, take your sea salt spray, spray it, scrunch, spray it and scrunch. Keep scrunching your sea salt spray. Spray some more if you need it. See how they're beginning to take their wave shape instead of a curl. So now you're going to do the other side. And scrunch. Keep scrunching. As long as you can't see that curl, you want to wave. Okay. So now that most of my scrunching is done, you can see that wave that's going. So now I'm going to do the back. Scrunch the back. Okay, now take your finishing spray. I'm going to use my Paul Mitchell. Now you're gonna, I always tease my hair when I'm finished. So I take the top layer of my hair, tease it, spray, second layer, tease it, spray. Now you can really see those curls, that wave you got going. Same thing to this side. tease my bangs a little bit. Right now it's just playing with it however you like. However you prefer, how much body you like. You just tease until you get there. You can always use more sea salt spray if you don't see as much wave, if you don't like as much texture. It's completely up to you. But now I have them exactly where I want them. I just comb the ends out so that it won't be too hairsprayed. Okay. So here are my perfect waves. Remember, when you're curling, always keep your iron down, work from top to bottom. You start with 3 sections, one on top, middle, and the bottom. Start on the bottom and work my way up. First step would be your heat spray. Second step would be curling. Third step, you want to spray after each curl, or after each section. Spray your hairspray. Either one. And then your sea salt spray, and you make sure you scrunch, and then you want to do your hairspray after. But today, I am giving away one of my favorite hairsprays. This is the Matrix Vavoom. This is a shape maker. It's the Super Hold Shaping Spray. I love it, and it's definitely one of my favorites. This is an 11-ounce can, so just comment on this video so I can make sure that you saw it, and comment when, and you will receive your free Matrix hairspray after my drawing. So I will be drawing probably on Wednesday of next week, and I will post the winner on my blog. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.